What are you doing? Really fast, I can see that.
I talk like a baby.
Are you a baby?
No, I talk like a baby.
You're not a baby. You're 3.
I say Spanish.
How do you say it in Spanish?
¿Cómo se dice 3 en español? Dile 3 en español. I was saying ¿cómo se dice 3 en español?
Take a picture.
She's taking video.
Do you want me to take a picture? I'll take a picture. Say, how do you say 3 in Spanish?
Here, 3 in Spanish. Dile, di 3 en español.
Hi.
No, en español.
How are you?
Muy
Yeah,
bien,
that's
muy bien.
good job, Kira. Hey, Sid, go sit back in the chair with Kira so I can take a picture. Oh, you want to see? Oh, there's Daddy. Is that over there? Yeah, that's your sister, huh?
I'm walking the tail really fast.
Yes, you are. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.